welcome back to my original 6-year-old YouTube channel, Benidorm and Beyond. I produce positive, fun and informative vlogs about the fabulous resort of Benidorm, where I've lived for well over 25 years now, so please come along and join me on my regular Spanglish adventures. And don't forget to leave me a comment, like or emoji, or just simply share this vlog or subscribe to the channel to help spread the word about Benidorm and beyond and get more upbeat videos about this beautiful tourist city out there in the world. Today's video takes you for an extensive look at some of the updates and renovations at the recently fully reopened 4-star Hotel Port Benidorm and Spa. Situated in the Rincon de Loix area along Avenida de Estocolmo, it's just a few metres inland from the beautiful Avanti beachfront and its fabulous bars, restaurants and water sports, so a perfect place for your Benidorm holiday in the sun, whatever time of the year. Built back in 1974, when the hotel was known as Los Dalmatas, or the Dalmatians, as many of you may remember, it was fully renovated in 2016 to become the main building of the Hotel Port Benidorm that we see today. Then, with 288 exterior-facing rooms over its 18 floors and offering free Wi-Fi throughout. Some 6 years ago, plans were announced for a huge renovation and extension project for the hotel, with the work having started in 2021 when I began to provide regular video updates of the construction over the months. The start of the demolition saw a corner supermarket that used to sit opposite the Plaza and Triangle pubs razed to the ground, ready for the new extension building to be constructed. The expansion works were divided into 2 phases with a total cost of between 10 and 12 million euro. The first phase included building the second tower attached to the current one, which is now completely finished, along with the addition of new offices on the first floor, serving as headquarters for the whole of the Port Hotels chain, along with a second floor where a multimedia room was located, as well as a basement room to be turned into an area specifically for children staying at the hotel. The second phase of work saw the dining room area increased, as well as its bed capacity increasing by a further 120 rooms, and a new heated outdoor swimming pool for clients staying in the new suites was also planned. The whole hotel reopened as scheduled on Tuesday, May the 19th, albeit with a few projects still being worked on, such as the new street-side cafe bar, which is now in full swing, and the walls underneath the pool area and the parking garage that sit to the side of the hotel on the hill of Quai de Berlin. As we wander around today, you'll see that the hotel has really been elevated to a new level of sophistication and glamour, with gold lighting and accents everywhere, and of course the new tower standing proudly above everything down below. Rooms are now spread between the existing Blue Tower, as it's called, and the brand new Sky Tower, with rooms in the Sky Tower between floors 21 and 25 being named the Iconic and offering even more services and facilities. The exterior of the hotel has been vastly improved too, with lots of landscape planting and a more 5-star vibe all round, even though it's still a 4-star, with the dining room still remaining visible up above the entrances with its glass walls facing the sea and beachfront. The long check-in desk in the airy reception area has now been moved from its previous position to the left as you walk in to immediately in front of you as you arrive, with bench seating opposite and lifts directly to your right. This leads out, as before, onto an extensive lounge area filled with tub seating and low wooden tables, all in a soft warm palette of greys, creams, pale pinks and gold. There is now a proper small stage area for evening entertainment in the corner, with the bar having been moved to further inside the hotel and a more prominent glass wall having been created alongside one side of the salon, with lots of tropical greenery outside, which looks over to the spa and fitness areas that the Hotel Port Benidorm has on site. The popular outside terrace still remains, but again this has been fully transformed into an oasis of calm with wood and bamboo furniture, parasols and soft lighting. And as always with hotels, anyone is welcome to visit, whether a guest of the hotel or not, to enjoy a relaxed drink and a chat in one of their lovely new spaces. Outside, directly underneath the new Sky Tower, you can find the exclusive new designer swimming pool, as well as sun lounges and cabana-style beds for guests in this block, with a new stylish pool bar alongside, serving everything from hot coffee to cold beer and spirits. And I have to say, all the staff that I saw when I filmed always smiled and gave me a friendly wave. The extensive already existing swimming pool area and solarium still exists, with multiple grey sun lounges, a few Balinese beds, a small outdoor stage and even a dartboard, providing some extra fun for the younger members of the family to enjoy under the supervision of the hotel's animation team. At the very back of this area is the newly renovated beach bar and seating area, which also houses the snack bar, with the water-based children's playground also still remaining, with its water spouts and slides, with a colourful boat with palm trees as its centrepiece. On street level, the new Vante Urban Cafe Bar is now fully open, offering a relaxed and modern feel with its cream director-style chairs, blue tiling and accents, and lots of greenery. It has specialist coffees as well as all-day dining options, including gourmet smash croissants, eggs Benedict, healthy bowls, pancakes, and handcrafted pastries. And if you're visiting from another area in your car, then 1 hour of complimentary hotel parking is included, making it a haven for local residents too, with parking spaces available for electric vehicles equipped with charging points, so everyone is catered for. Up on the 19th floor, the gorgeous rooftop bar of La Terrasse has been extended and revitalised, and unfortunately I haven't been able to make it up there yet, but it is on my list, although probably for a special occasion as it's not cheap. As well as cool drinks, classic and signature cocktails, including ones that come with their own amazing themed glassware and own passport, and live DJ events, it's a perfect place to watch the sun go down. And with La Terrasse going almost viral online and being the subject of many billboard posters around the resort, booking may be advisable. It's open from 7 p.m. in the evening until 2 a.m. in the early hours, but Port Benidorm are also currently offering an opulent, deliciously Mediterranean breakfast by Fran Segura, who is one of the best pastry chefs in Europe. This sees this beautiful outdoor space also open from 8 a.m. until 1 p.m, but reservations for this outstanding looking breakfast are essential, but at an eye-watering €35 per person, it's not something that I'll personally be able to bring you a review on anytime soon. Cocktails at La Terrasse start from €10, with the elaborate travelling cocktails priced at 15 and spirits from 8. But if you prefer a simple glass of lager, then half an Estrella Galicia beer comes in at €3.50 or 5 for a pint, with a selection of bottled beers also available, with or without alcohol and gluten. Soft drinks and coffees cost from €3.50 upwards, and a glass of wine is €5, so although on the slightly dearer side, it's definitely nice to do once in a while, and maybe if you're on your holidays then you just don't worry about the money until you get home anyway. Food is also on offer should you need to soak up some of that alcohol, and this mostly comes in the form of individual tapas or picky bits, with prices starting at $3.75, with sharing platters also available, and a small variety of desserts and sweet treats starting at €8.50. The Hotel Port Benidorm and Spa is currently ranked 70th out of the 176 hotels listed in Benidorm on TripAdvisor UK, with a guest satisfaction rating of 4.2 out of 5, putting it in the good category based on more than 3,150 reviews. Positive comments mention how luxurious and chilled out the hotel now is, with no large groups accepted to spoil your peace, and customers love all the new touches of luxury, along with the friendly staff, the general cleanliness, and the new places to eat and drink. Food reviews for the buffet restaurant are, as always, mixed, although the general opinion seems to be that the food offering is excellent, although not always clearly labelled for those with intolerances. Social media comments mention that the dining room, although extended, still isn't of sufficient capacity to accommodate everyone who wants to dine there at the same time, whilst others say it's orderly and well organised. So I guess it's down to the luck of the draw on the day, expectation and your own experience. Whilst very classy in every way now, prices have gone up, especially to stay in the new Sky Tower. So it's of course a personal decision on whether you would find it value for money or not, depending on your budget or needs, as thank goodness we're not all the same. I'll now let you sit back and enjoy the rest of the footage, and maybe dream of your next holiday to the newly renovated and transformed 4-star Hotel Port Benidorm. If you want to find out about some of Benidorm's most popular hotels, then why not check out my great series of vlogs giving you an unbiased look inside and out. Just search YouTube, Fly on the Wall, followed by the name of the hotel you're looking for, and all the info will be at your fingertips. It's that simple. If you've enjoyed watching so far, then please feel free to check out some of my many other videos which cover a huge variety of different subjects, including info-packed street and beachfront walks, reviews on hotels, cafes, bars and new businesses, updates on building work projects, as well as lots of news on things that are happening around the resort right here, right now. Thanks so much for watching as always, and I'll see you out and about next time. Bye for now, hasta luego, and catch you again soon. Cheers! If you'd like to support my channel and future vlogs by making a small donation, you can now buy me a coffee, or even 2 or 3. Just click on the down arrow next to the vlog title, which brings you to the description of this video. Then follow the link provided at the bottom. It's really that simple. Thank you so much.